We need to eat. We're in Berlin.
And I need a start.
Our second day. Oh, this is Humana, a really nice thrift shop. At a Vietnamese Thailand restaurant of Berlin.
I don't have to know every conversation I have with my friends.
One of the many greeneries. Now we're walking to the yellow pedestrian zone of our Schönberg district. Vegan salami and vegan cheese too. I'm gonna show him. Vegan tofus and many vegan tortellinis. And this is the Exenta supermarket and it's all €2. Now we are at Charlie Checkpoint. But they have a professional photographer of some sort, and behind me, this is the soldiers. This is the Memorial of the Jews. Now we're in the Memorial of the Jews in Berlin. Rows and rows of the people who have died, been killed. Welcome to Brandenburg Gate. Parliament building, I think. I'm going to clarify that. And with the TV tower at Alexplatz in front of us. Adam, how's the temperature of Berlin today?
Nice.
We have Carlos and Lori. And let's turn around and take a look. Wow, construction. Beautiful. Oh man? Anyways, this is Alexanderplatz. The boys complaining about heat stroke. Don't say that in my videos. Thanks, cause me asking the girl. Bulls Market. The beautiful graffiti of Hulls Market. Welcome to Hulls Market. Inside the beautiful graffitis to the left and right. Right one is now covered by locker storage. And here we have the Spree Rivers with lots of bars, cafes, bakeries, and restaurants. Sometimes a DJ's live set as well. A stacked kind of shipping container look, but made with wood. Very unique place. People come here to just relax by the river, have a drink with their friends, have a meal. And here is the world's smallest teledisco. That right there. Akerai. Well. There's a bird. The one that your uncle was telling us about. I like the rainbow. We experience it all. Mongolian vegan dumplings and bao.